Harley-Davidson's suspension systems minimize harshness and maximize traction and control to achieve the most comfortable ride possible. Front forks and rear shocks are engineered to instill confidence and improve comfort levels for both rider and passenger. Forks and shocks should be adjusted prior to riding in order to accommodate varying loads from rider, passenger, and luggage. Fully adjustable suspensions offer more flexibility in fine-tuning the system for maximum comfort and performance. Here's how the adjustments work. The compression adjuster limits excessive travel and/or bottoming out within the suspension. Proper adjustment prevents a ride that's either too stiff or too soft. The rebound adjuster controls the extension of the shock after it compresses over a bump or extends into a pothole. Proper adjustment prevents a too stiff or too bouncy ride. Turning the preload adjuster, riders can easily adjust how much the suspension compresses under the weight of the rider and cargo. For the ultimate in Sportster ride quality, take a look at the Screamin Eagle fully adjustable front forks and fully adjustable piggyback shocks that offer all these great adjustment features.